still low. That's the centre of our low, swirling off the... Just ignore that for now and enjoy the fact that the skies are briefly clear, as they should be on a winter's night, but it is still quite breezy, frankly. So there'll be no frost tonight, and yes, that's what the cloud is bringing in. The blue there representing amalgamated showers, i.e. rain. It's coming in. I say rain later. Well, for some, of course, it's going to be sooner, but it's around for 24 hours in its slow-moving attitude. This is the picture then the next few hours. The showers that have been really rattling into Scotland will become fewer and fewer as the night goes on. This is the concentration then. It hits North Wales, misses Liverpool Bay, hits North Lancs, Cumbria, maybe South West Scotland. The temperatures are single figures tonight, but it's not frosty, except maybe in one or two glens of Scotland. So tomorrow morning then it's likely to be wet for you in Cornwall and Devon and Somerset and South Wales, with a fair old breeze, so you could say wet and windy, or wet and breezy, I suppose. It's nothing spectacular in either aspect. The darker blue suggests heavier rain, which would have gone through Northern Ireland, but there's another band still to come through, so a rather miserable start for your day, I have to say. Northwest of the Great Glen is part of Scotland. I suspect good day coming, and you can see the north of the Grampians also. The sun should be out briefly. Well, 8 o'clock in the morning, it's just coming up, isn't it? But it's miserable through the central belt. Same is true until you get as far south as almost Bradford. This is a fairly dry picture in the morning, but spotting with rain fairly soon, I suspect. And of course, that's the passage of the rain anyway. Throughout the rest of Monday, the rain will gather itself, move through Wales, through the rest of England, and leave Wales back in the sunshine by the evening, Cornwall too, occasionally Northern Ireland, and of course, northwest Scotland. Temperatures more or less the same as today's, maybe a little lower in the northern half of the UK. And then, on Monday night, before Tuesday's weather comes in, this is Tuesday's weather, you have this bump here, this ridge of high pressure. The isobars open, the wind becomes lighter, the sky is clear, and it'll be a cold night with widespread frost on the ground. Yes, city centres aren't that low, but on the ground, a proper frost. So Tuesday starts fine, but Tuesday ends up getting wetter and wetter slowly from the west. And that's the picture of how Tuesday ends. So Monday and Tuesday both effectively wet. However, by the end of the week, pressure will rise, and there will be far less rain, but far more frost and possibly fog.